Welcome, kids. Let's learn science.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.
Before we begin, make sure you have the following: a small dry erase whiteboard, a dry erase marker, and an eraser. Listen carefully to each question. When the question is finished, a timer will appear on the screen to give you time to think. Write the letter of your answer on your whiteboard. When the timer ends, hold up your whiteboard so everyone can see your answer. Our lesson for today is about physical properties of matter.
Let's begin. Which term names features that can be seen or measured without making a new substance? And the correct answer is letter B, observable physical properties. Baking soda and another white powder are stirred in equal cups. Which picture shows the sample that mixes evenly? And the correct answer is letter A, mostly dissolves. Which term names how well a material mixes evenly into a liquid? And the correct answer is letter C, solubility in water.
One known sample is pale and smooth. Another sample has rough grains. Which picture shows the sample that is different by texture? And the correct answer is letter C, white, gritty powder. The table compares 2 known powders and 1 hidden sample. Which claim is supported by the data? And the correct answer is letter B, best match is A. A metal strip is placed under a lamp during a test. Which picture shows the strongest shine? And the correct answer is letter A, bright reflection.
The table compares 3 known strips and 1 hidden strip. Which claim is supported by the data? And the correct answer is letter C, best match is A. A metal strip is placed in a simple circuit. Which picture shows that electric current can pass? And the correct answer is letter A, bulb lights. The graph compares three materials placed in the same circuit. Which claim is supported? And the correct answer is letter C, A allows most current.
Equal small beads are placed on three warmed metal rods. Which picture shows the rod that carries heat fastest? And the correct answer is letter A, drop melts first. The graph compares temperature at the far end of three rods. Which claim matches the pattern? And the correct answer is letter B, A transfers thermal energy fastest. The mineral is rubbed with the same pointed tool. Which picture shows the lowest hardness? And the correct answer is letter A, deep scratch.
Two minerals are tested with the same pointed tool. Which statement is true? And the correct answer is letter A, deep marks show softer sample. Two minerals look different from each other. Which picture shows appearance evidence? And the correct answer is letter A, color chart. A lab group checks a metal using a magnet, a circuit, mass, and hardness. Which statement is true? And the correct answer is letter C, multiple results identify material.
Students compare unknown liquids by appearance and measured amount. Which picture shows useful evidence? And the correct answer is letter B, color and volume. Three different liquids receive same solid amount. Which result helps show which liquid mixes it best? And the correct answer is letter B, 1 cup becomes the clearest. A magnet is brought near an unknown metal. Which picture shows attraction? And the correct answer is letter A, strong pull.
An unknown powder is tested in liquid and compared with baking soda. How can students use the results? And the correct answer is letter C, match dissolving behavior. A group compares an unknown mineral with known samples. Which picture shows useful evidence about mineral hardness and appearance? And the correct answer is letter A, scratch and color. An unknown metal is checked with water, a circuit, and a pull test. Which evidence would help identify it? And the correct answer is letter B, water behavior, current, magnetism.
Which picture gives the strongest support for identifying it? And the correct answer is letter A, property chart. A class records mass and volume during material tests. Why should students use grams and milliliters? And the correct answer is letter A, results can be compared. Samples are checked using color, texture, magnetism, and other tests. What should be used to name an unknown sample? And the correct answer is letter C, combined evidence.
Out of 20 for questions, how many did you get right? Type your score in the comments section. If you want a printable copy of these task cards, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play.